Let's compare 5/6 and 5/8. Let's think about what they mean. 5/6 means 5 out of 6 pieces. If you have a whole, let's say a whole cake, and you cut it into 6 pieces, 5/6 is 5 of those 6 pieces. 5/8 again is 5 pieces. That's something that's the same. We're both talking about 5 pieces, but this time we've split our cake into 8 pieces. So it's 5 out of 8 pieces. We can represent that by drawing it. Maybe we can draw, here's one hole, and then another one. So these are 2 equal holes, and on one of them we can shade 5/6 and the other 5/8. That way we can look and compare them. So for 5/6, if we divide this hole, we were using the example of cake, into 6 equal size pieces. Not sure if those are perfect, but let's say those are 6 equal size pieces. 5/6 is talking about 5 of those pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This image represents 5/6. Now for 5/8, let's think about it for a second. Will the pieces in 5/8 be bigger or smaller than 5/6? Are 8ths bigger or smaller than 6? Well, we can draw and see if we have the same size hole, which we need to have the same size hole, and we draw and we split it into 8 pieces this time. So now we have 4ths and 8ths. These pieces, these 8ths, 1/8 is smaller than a 6 because this time we had to split the cake between 8 people. So we got smaller pieces. Now again, we can shade 5 of them. Seems like 5 pieces might be equal to 5 pieces, but we can look and see. 4, 5. And now we can look and see that 5/6 takes up more space, takes up more area. This is a larger amount. And the reason is because each piece is larger. So 5 larger pieces is more than 5 smaller pieces, or is greater than. And remember with our symbol, the open side, the larger side, should be facing our larger number. So 5/6 is greater than 5/8. Here's one more, but this time let's try to compare them without drawing. Let's just think about what these mean. 2/5 means 2 pieces out of 5. So one whole was split 5 ways, and we got 2 of the pieces. 2/3 means that same whole was split 3 ways, and we got 2 of the pieces. Well, which 2 pieces are larger? The 2/3 are larger, because if we only have to split our pieces 3 ways, we can have larger pieces. So the 2/5 are smaller. These 2 smaller pieces are less. These 2 smaller pieces are less than the 2 larger pieces. And again, the open end of our symbol should be facing the larger number. So 2/5 is less than 2/3.